Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ian as a Weirdo. Today I am going to be picking day 5's theme. This has been so fun so far. I've done so many things I'm really excited about. I've made a bag, I've made a graveyard, I made a fondant pie, that's weird. And what else did I make? Oh, I drew this drawing right here of this mausoleum. So, so there's been a lot going on. So I'm really excited to keep going. I hope you guys are enjoying this series as much as I am. Sorry, my hair is crazy. It just does things on its own. It has a mind of its own. I don't know. It's a curly hair problem. It is. Um, so I am going to draw from the Great Pumpkin, which I can't get straight anymore. Just like me, my pumpkin is not straight. So we're just gonna do our best with this like lopsided, flobby pumpkin. Um, Also, heads up, not wearing pants and wearing boxers, so don't worry. But yeah, so let's get started. Day 5. Try to get it straight. That's better. It's not great. That's better. Okay. So, day 5. Okay, so the theme is orange. Just orange. Um, so I think the obvious is pumpkin, something, you know, something pumpkin related. Um, but let's see what else I can do. So I can do a candy corn plushie. Those are always cute. And honestly, I can use the pattern that I used on the pizza because it creates like a really perfect little wedge. And then I can use some colors on that. So that would be really cute. Orange. What is orange? So the leaves. What can I do with leaves? I think I threw all my excess leaves away from that project. Because I just feel like they were in the way and they just kept on like flying everywhere. So I think I got rid of those. But I could get some more because they were just from the Dollar Tree. Um, and I could make like a wreath. That I've never made a wreath before. I wonder if I could. Can you crochet a wreath? I'm sure you can crochet a wreath. And also, I can, or just like crochet leaves. Leaves. That would be cool just to have some like nice little leaves around. I can make coasters. Okay, so let's see, what else is orange? So just a jack-o'-lantern, which I put pumpkin already, but it's worth noting that jack-o'-lanterns are orange. So I could carve a pumpkin, which is very traditional. I'm not great at it, but I can do it. It's gonna be hard to do that on camera. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but okay. And I definitely don't know how I do it on live, like with you guys here. So I could carve a pumpkin. I could paint it, which I just painted. So I don't really know if I want to do that. Ooh, I could dye some yarn. Oh, wait, that's not the same one. I could dye yarn, different shades of orange. That would be cool. Um, that would be fun. I might not dry in time for like the 2 days I give myself, but it's okay if projects like overlap and I'm working on two things at once. Um, so and I could put some like black in there or something to make it extra Halloweeny. So let's see. So uh, it's orange. I think that's a good start. I think Mel's gonna have a lot of great ideas, and then I think I have a friend who might be interested in doing a little collaboration on this one. So stay tuned because it's only gonna get more fun. Hi, Michelle.
Hi, how are you doing, Ian?
Doing super. I'm not actually
Good.
doing super, but I wish I was. So I'm trying to invoke positivity.
That's a good thing to do.
So I pulled the word orange today, and I thought you would be the perfect person um, to ask for a collaboration today.
Okay.
I guess I'll just kind of tell you some of the things I thought of when I got the word orange. And of course, I'm talking about the color, not the fruit. Um, so I was thinking maybe doing a pumpkin garland, like a little tiny pumpkin garland, to do on this little banister right here. I've been
Mhm.
wanting to do that for ages. I just haven't gotten around to it. Um, then I got started thinking about candy corn. So I was like, maybe I could do a plushie. Maybe I could do a candy corn colored sweater for my dog. And he would love that. He loves clothes. I know some dogs don't, but he just loves them. Um, and then I think I also thought about dyeing yarn. I have a bunch of ideas here. Just whittling down the bunch. Thought about dyeing yarn. I've been dyeing acrylic. I did it once, so
Okay.
I'm an expert naturally. And I've been dyeing acrylic yarn using acrylic paint, watered down acrylic paint, and that's been super fun.
Oh, cool.
So I thought that maybe dyeing yarn would be an interesting activity, but I settled on crocheting leaf coasters. I thought that that would be really nice, and I could do it in a variety of colors, including orange, of course. Just for the fall, I thought it'd be really nice. And then they get dirty, you can just throw them in the wash, and it's not a big deal. So, so yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. What about you? What does orange make you feel like?
Well, I always think, first thing I always think about is carrots, because I love carrots. And then
Mhm.
I think about pumpkins and I think about crocheting pumpkins. I did that last year and the year before, and I loved it. So I love your idea of the garland with little pumpkins.
Mhm.
And then I love black and orange together.
Who doesn't?
And I have um a skein of yarn from Daniel at Paul Ply that's called
Mhm.
100 Acre Wood, and it's Winnie the Pooh. It's Tigger,
Uh-huh.
and it's got the black and the orange in it. And I thought that would really be great to make something with. And then I thought, let's go more black and orange. And I found the perfect shawl pattern for Gage. For those of you who don't know, Gage is my daughter. And I want to do it in black and orange cotton because we do
Oh,
live in North Carolina and it's not cold during Halloween.
I know it sucks.
And it's actually fiber spiders and it's the lost souls.
Oh,
Shawl,
yeah.
it's skulls. And that's what I want to do with that sunburst. But I also want to make little pumpkins and put them all over the place. I have a couple of pumpkins that are needle felted and they're real cool, but I'm like, I want little ones that are crocheted too.
Mhm.
So that's what I think about, and that's what I'm working
Oh, cool.
to do some pumpkins
Do some
in
pumpkins.
different colors because it's not just orange. I don't know if you can actually tell this. The color is not coming out right here, but it's actually a dusky orange. It has gray undertones in it. And it's not quite
Gorgeous.
coral, but it's not orange.
Mm.
And I think that would make some great pumpkins in addition to some orange and some yellow orange and some green orange.
Ooh.
And just make a whole bunch of different pumpkins.
Yeah,
And then
that
I
sounds
do have a
awesome.
color that I want to use for pumpkins because it's got sparkle in it.
Ooh.
And this is actually a Halloween yarn that I got from Kirshner's. Do this right so you
Very
can actually
nice.
see it.
Oh, that yarn.
So
is
I thought that
gorgeous.
would be great. Sparkly pumpkins.
Mhm. Yeah, I love all your ideas. They all resonated with me so so much. I did a knitted pumpkin one year, and instead of doing like a stalk or stem or whatever it is, I put a cinnamon stick,
That's a great idea.
and it just smelled so good. And I
Mhm.
love cinnamon. I love the smell of cinnamon.
Oh, I
So,
do
but then I
too.
didn't have to crochet or knit anything else. It's also a move of laziness.
I just think that would be great. You know, the cinnamon stick, it would smell good. And you know, you can put the pumpkin spices with the cinnamon stick. If, you know, make like a little container that'll go in the pumpkin to put it in. And then you would have pumpkin pie smell. I
Oh,
think that would be great too.
you're speaking my language. That sounds awesome. Well, I think we got our marching orders. Are you going to be live with me? I guess when we post this, it'll be tonight at 5 p.m. Is that time work for
Okay,
you?
5 p.m. the 9th?
Yes.
No, because I have to be at work at 5 p.m.
Yeah, I figured as much. It's okay. Well, usually I take about 2 days to do the projects, but take as long as you need to. Do it whatever you want to. And then just let me know when you're finished and we'll do another little video together.
Okay, that sounds fantastic.
Yeah. So let me.